Got a beautiful, beautiful day here in New Jersey. Look at this crap.
Time for the snowmobile conversion kit.
There you go. Now you're talking. Now you're talking. That's right. We got to put a snowmobile conversion on the road glide. So we got about, I don't know, maybe about 4 or 5 inches. It would have been a lot more, but I think it rained kind of all night. It's still coming down. It's going to stop here in about an hour. So we got a little problem today. The Dyna will not start. Making some room now. Cam's gonna come down. We're gonna bring the Dyna out of the shed into the garage, shut the door, and I'll show you guys what we're gonna do. I just installed that Mueller Easy Pull on the clutch. Man, I'm telling you, that is one upgrade that I highly recommend. The clutch feels super, super soft now. There's the man of the hour. Back that puppy up, man, so we could get the big dog out. Uh-oh. Sound like it needed a battery. So anyway, you guys were like all worried that Cam don't have a place for his bike. Of course he does. He's got the shed. Beautiful spot right here. I just can't have the bike in the garage because I'm always doing videos and stuff, and honestly this garage is like too small, but he does have a place. Trust me, it was in there just the other day while it was snowing. Let me go help him with the bike. We're gonna bring it in, show you guys what we're gonna do. Cut it, straight back. Cut it to the left a little bit. Straight back. Straight back, straight back. Beautiful, right there. Put the key in. Show them what's happening. Just make sure, I think I put in gear, make sure it's in neutral. So, when Cam first got the bike, it is in neutral. When Cam first got the bike, remember it was like starting it was like yeah, so a lot of you guys said it's probably battery time. Well, that's exactly what happened. Give her a crank, show them. It's not even, see?
Wow.
Yeah.
It wasn't like that last time I fired it up, jeez.
Yeah, so the battery was on its way out and now it's out. So we got a new one, we'll show you guys. Cam put that in. And then me and Cam are actually going on a trip tomorrow. A nice 2-day trip, yes, in January. So there's a lot of snow on the ground and stuff still, but it's gonna be raining all day today and all night. It's gonna wash away the salt and stuff on the roads, and we're gonna take a nice 2-day short trip because the weather's gonna be pretty good. We're supposed to get like 50-degree days tomorrow and the next day. So yeah, I can't wait. So we'll show you guys. We're gonna change the battery. Think we're gonna put the windshield on?
Yeah, probably get prepared for the trip.
Yeah, put the windshield on, and I'm gonna throw my bag on. If you guys haven't seen the bag setup yet, I'm gonna show you guys that because I'll be able to carry everything for both of us. So this way he doesn't have to strap a bag on the back, and we're gonna be off tomorrow morning. All right, so Cam actually picked up this battery, this diehard right here from, I think it was AutoZone. It was like 160 or 165 bucks. I actually had to go to Bergen County Harley-Davidson this morning, and they actually gave us a better deal on this battery. It was about 135, something like that. So, and Cam will get the core charge on the existing bad battery if he hands it into AutoZone. So we decided to go with this one. Harley batteries are actually very good. I've had no issues with the stock Harley-Davidson batteries forever, for all the whatever 13, 14 Harley-Davidsons that I've owned. So we went with this one. He's gonna return that one, and we're gonna swap the batteries out. And then we have the windshield right there that actually came with Cam's Dyna. I'm gonna have a link to Cam's channel, so if you guys want a more in-depth, whatever you guys want to see, anything in-depth on his Dyna, head over to his channel. I just want to kind of give you guys an idea what's happening. Over 1,100 subscribers.
Yep.
My man, look at that. He's on his way, and he's getting a lot of parts from Harley Davidson.
Yeah.
Should be, like I said, couple weeks, couple months, a lot of parts, a lot of stuff's happening to this, so you're definitely gonna wanna stay tuned and watch this 2007 Dyna with only what, like 5,500 miles? Crazy.
I think we're getting on 6,000 now.
Oh, you put about 500, no?
Yeah, definitely.
Nice, sweet. All right, guys, Cam left to go bring the battery back. It's actually all done. I'll show you guys in a second. And I want to talk about our trip a little bit. This is going to be really amazing. It's going to be Cam's first trip. But what I wanted to tell you guys really quick, and I feel I have to. First thing is, I really appreciate you guys heading over to Cam's channel and showing a lot of love and support, not only for him, but for me. That shows a lot about you guys. It shows a lot about my followers, about a lot about my subscribers, that they care about me, they care about Cam. And you know, I do have to mention, it's not that it's bothering me, but I can't take the credit for a couple things, and let me tell you why. There's been a lot of good, beautiful comments saying, hey, you know, you look just like your son, or you look just like your dad. What an amazing job you did, John. You know, what a great boy he is, and stuff like that. And you know, he really is. Cam is an absolutely awesome kid. He's super smart. He's courteous. He's respectful. He loves Harley Davidsons, you know, a huge passion of mine, the same passion he has. So obviously there's a connection, there's a bond there. But the thing I can't take credit for is, like I said about some of those comments, is because Cam's actually my stepson. Maybe I should have said that in the beginning when I started putting him into the videos. I just didn't think about it because I truly feel Cam is my son, like my own son. And he is. I feel like that. But technically, biologically, he's not. So I can't take the credit for that. His biological dad has been actually riding Harley Davidson motorcycles for a long time as well. And he's gonna want to do videos with him in the future. He's gonna wanna obviously do some ride videos. He's gonna wanna show you his bike. So I just you know, wanted to put it out there now so you guys aren't confused when Cam goes by his dad's house and kind of says, hey, this is my dad and this is Harley, and all you guys are going to be wondering, like, what's going on here? Why does he have two dads? So I just wanted to bring that out in the open now, and so this way there's no kind of confusion and stuff like that. His dad did a fantastic job raising him, as you guys can see. He's just a fantastic young 19-year-old man that loves Harley Davidson motorcycles. So, but again, the reason why I call him son, because I truly feel he's my son. It may not be biologically, but in my heart and in my soul, that's how I feel, and that's why I just said my son. So I hope you guys understand. I just wanted to tell you guys that now, so this way, like I said, there's no confusion. And also, you have to give credit where credit is due. But having said that, I hope I have some kind of good influence on Cam. I hope I did, and I will in the future. I'll be the best stepdad that a kid could have. That's what I could vouch for. But anyway, the bike, the battery is already done. It's in. We'll give you guys a start up in a second. And this is actually the windshield that actually came with the bike when we picked it up. The previous owner had it, so Cam just put it on, and I cleaned it up a little bit for him, but I ran out of spray. There's still some kind of muck on it. I want to clean it as best as possible, so this way, you know, he's gonna have some good visibility, because this windshield's pretty tall. It's gonna work really well for our trip. I'm actually gonna throw on the rickrack bag right now, because that's actually going to be our only bag for the trip. So let me go get it, and I'll show you guys how to put it on, because it is definitely by far the best travel luggage that you could possibly have on your bagger. First thing I have to do, I already have docking hardware on my bike. And the first thing you're gonna have to do, I got these nice caps that cover the docking hardware from Figurati Designs. We're gonna take them off. Now this setup is from Rickrack. This is their luggage combo, and I'm gonna show you guys, this is actually two pieces. The bottom piece is the cargo rack that actually gets mounted to this bag. So all you have to do, it goes on literally in seconds. Now that's locked on there. So now let me show you guys how awesome this system is. Now, as soon as you get to the hotel, this is all you gotta do is unscrew these two clamps right here. You lift the bag, you pull it off. The amazing thing is right here, there's a handle. And then it actually has wheels that you could use to obviously roll the bag right in to the hotel like a standard suitcase. How amazing is that? So this is what I'm going to be using this entire year, 2024, for all my long trips. So I'm actually going to be using this for tomorrow's trip with me and Cam, because this will be able to hold everything and then some for a 2-day trip for the both of us. All the links are down below in the description. Definitely check out Rickrack. I'm telling you guys, there's nothing like this bag, especially for ease of use and convenience. As soon as you get to the hotel, there's nothing like it. It also looks really good, and it's not too big and bulky. Looks great on the bike. Let me show you guys the inside. This thing expands also. I mean, it's a really big suitcase. Have my rain cover in there as well. Just a really big bag. And if you guys are also on the website on Rickrack, you guys could check out these Rickrack bag buttons right here. They're really flush and minimal. This way it doesn't take up a lot of room in your bag. And also, don't forget, I'm rocking that Rickrack gas cap button, which is right there. I love this thing because when I pull into the station, all I do, I just leave the gas cap right on the bike. And no, it doesn't do any damage. The button is rubber coated. Nothing will happen to it. And you don't have to worry about your gas cap falling off. Let her rip, man.
All right.
Cam's back. Clean the windshield. Put his Easy Pass up. Nice. Just a quick start. Not too long, just to make sure, because it's raining and icing.
With that pose.
We'll light it up inside the garage.
Yeah.
Nice.
Right.
You see how fast it just lit up, you know what I mean? So what we're gonna do though, I'm gonna give you the lead right here to the trickle charger, because that is a new battery. We're gonna plug it into the trickle charger, so this way to charge fully overnight. Yeah, so now it's trickle charger is red light. So in a couple hours it should be green.
Good to buy tomorrow.
And we'll be good to go. So anyway, I have no idea where we are going yet. It's raining right now. It's actually like a little bit of ice. It's supposed to look like, I think it's supposed to be like flood type rain, a lot of rain, over an inch of rain. But I'm gonna surprise him where we're gonna go. So we're gonna go tomorrow morning into the next day, nice ride, stay in a hotel, just to kind of break them in. Yeah. Break them in into the long distance rides. So stay tuned for those videos, guys. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. And check out his channel, because he's got a lot of good stuff coming.
Yeah.
All right, thanks guys, bye-bye.
See you.